Ladies and gentlemen, with you again is Francis. So, in today's video, as you can see in my worksheet, I have a sample data for the bathroom removal cost. I'm going to show you how we can protect this data in Microsoft Excel by using the tools of hiding. So, it's very important to know that when you are dealing with data in Excel, you need to learn how to protect it because anyone can come and tamper with it. So now, when you look at this data, first and foremost, our data values are found in different columns like column B, column C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and finally J. The values represent the area and items, and then the number of quantities for each and every item, and then estimated amount, actual, and then the difference. So now, what you are going to do is that we are going to learn how we can hide some of the columns, how we can hide some of the rows, and then finally we shall look at how we can hide the entire worksheet. So to do that, first and foremost, I'll go and select one of the columns that I want to hide. Selecting a column, I said you have to tap on top of the letter which represent the columns because we said columns, these are vertical data arrangement which run from top to bottom and they are represented with numbers, whereas the rows, these are horizontal data arrangement which run from left to right and they are represented with numbers, whereas columns are represented with alphabetical letters. Now, after selecting the column, which is column B, go and tap on Home tab. The Home tab is one of the tabs in the ribbon. When you open that, you get a list of tools, and these tools are found in groups. And one of the groups we are going to be using is what we call the cells. So when you check on the cells, you see one of the tools which is format. Click on that, then you get a list of options which will pop up down. And one of those options is visibility. Under visibility, now you see I have hide and unhide, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. So now I want to hide this column I've selected. So I go ahead and tap on that. Then you get another options on that same line, which is hide the row, hide the columns. So in this case, because I selected the column, so I'm going to say hide the columns. When I click on that, now you can see the entire column, which is column B, will be hidden. Right now, I have column A, column C, but column B is nowhere to be seen because I have already hidden it. But if I want to hide also column C, go and select column C by tapping on that alphabetical letter which represent that column. After selecting the entire column, go to the Home tab and select Format. Then from Format, go to Visibility, click there and select Hide the columns, and then the entire column will be hidden. So now after that, you can now see that I only have the quantity and the corresponding amount, but this amount or even the quantity does not show you that maybe they are for which item. That's why even if someone come across this data, it is meaningless because, for example, I have quantity 35. Now 35, uh, which is what is 35? What are the items? Eh? I have quantity 5. Now what? What is 5? What are the items that present quantity 5? So it becomes useless for anyone unless he or she goes ahead and try to unhide the values or the column that you have hidden. So likewise, we can also hide the entire the row. First and foremost, you have to select the row. Maybe I want to select 4. This is the row which contains the headers of the all table values. Now, when I hide that one, for example, I go to unhide and then say hide the rows. Now, when I hide that, now you can see I have data values but these data values, they don't have the headers, they don't have now I have a table with only the amount, and that one does not bring the meaning. But if I want also to hide the rows, maybe I want to hide that. So I can go ahead and select maybe the total amount. I select all of that. Then from there, go to format, select visibility, then go ahead to hide the row. Now everything will be hidden. Now you can see everything I've hidden. I've tried to hide the columns, column A, column B and column C. I've tried to hide the row, that is row 4. And then I've tried to hide row 24. Now, if I want to bring them back at the end of the day, when you are working on your data, and you realize that it's important to bring back what you've hidden. So for you to do that, you have to select the entire worksheet. Selecting the entire worksheet, you have to tap on this angle, which is in between the first row and the first column. So after that, the whole worksheet will be selected. Then from there, go to format. Of course, I told you format is found in the home tab. Then go to visibility. Now here under visibility, I'm going to unhide the entire columns. Then from there, now you can see all the columns which were written, which were hidden. As you can see here, they are now available. So to to unhide the laws, I will do the same. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to first and foremost, I'm going to select the entire worksheet. After selecting the entire worksheet, go to format. Under format, select visibility and select unhide, and then I'm going to unhide the rows. After that, now you can see I have all the rows which were hidden. They are now back. Like, I now have the headers, and then I have the total items. So now, after looking at how to hide the rows and columns, and then how to unhide both rows and columns, let us see what if I want to hide the entire worksheet. First and foremost, I want to uh, I want to yeah, to hide the entire worksheet. Of course, I have to go ahead and select home tab, then go to format. When you go on format, still go under visibility and say hide the what? Hide the sheet. Now you can see all the entire worksheet will be hidden. So as you can see, I have sheet 1, I have sheet 2, I have sheet 3, but now all my data has been hidden. So now from here, even if someone come across this, uh, it is very hard to know that some of the work has been hidden, because even first of all, you see on your worksheet, your workbook, it starts with sheet 1, meaning there's maybe if they was starting with sheet 2, we will say, maybe sheet 1 has been hidden. But now the entire worksheet starts with sheet 1, sheet 2, and so on. And then the rest of the work has been hidden. So for you to unhide that sheet, you have to do what? You have to go to the format under the home tab, then select visibility. Then from there, the last value or the last option is unhide the sheet. When you click on that, then you get a dialog box window which will pop up on the screen. And on that window, you see a highlight of the name of the sheet which was hidden. Then when you click OK, and then the whole data will come back. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. This is how we can hide and unhide columns and the rows, then the sheets. And we do this to protect our data in Excel. In the next video, we shall look at different tools we can use so that we can get familiar with Microsoft Excel. For now, let's stop here, but remember to subscribe to our channel, Tebi Talks, and also visit our website, www.tebitalks.com. Otherwise, we love you so much. See you again. Thank you.